Everybody, I'm Brian Kapple, your Athens, Ohio Realtor. I'm with Wiseman Real Estate. Hey, I work with buyers and investors all across Southeast Ohio. If you've been priced out of larger markets or you're looking for a different kind of opportunity, this area might be worth a serious look. Let's start with one of the biggest drivers, and that's going to be tourism. Areas surrounding Hocking Hill State Park bring in millions of visitors every year. That's created a strong demand for short-term rentals, SRTs, especially cabins and unique stays. And compared to other vacation markets across the country, the entry price here is still relatively affordable. And that's really the second factor, which is affordability. In many parts of the country, getting into an investment property can require a significant upfront investment. Well, here in Southeast Ohio, you can often get started at a much lower price point while still having income potential. It is that combination that is catching investors' attention. But here's what a lot of people overlook. This is not a buy anything and it works type of market. You need to understand things like local regulations. Some areas are more STR friendly than others. Utilities, septic systems, water access, and terrain matter here in Southeast Ohio. Location, proximity to tourism can make or break your returns. This is where local knowledge becomes critical. And beyond short-term rentals, there is also a bigger picture story. We are seeing continued interest in this region tied to tourism, infrastructure, and long-term growth along the Ohio River corridor. This is not overnight growth, but it is steady and it is strategic. So is Southeast Ohio the next investment hotspot? For the right buyer, with the right strategy, it absolutely can be. So if you're thinking about investing in this region, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you navigate this landscape. Hey everybody, my name is Brian Kapple with Wiseman Real Estate. I am your Athens, Ohio, your Southeast Ohio local real estate agent. Give me a call for these questions. If I don't know the answer, I guarantee that my boss broker, Josh Bodimer, does, or someone on his team will have these answers for you. Hey, everybody, be sure to like and subscribe. Why should you do that? Because if it was me, I would. Hey, thanks for watching. And until next time, thanks and have a blessed day.